Hey there everybody, this is just a short video showing you guys how you need to wash out your Staalmeester brushes. It is amazing how much paint these things hold. And so I'm going to show you kind of the process of getting mine clean. I keep it under the water and just push and push and push down in my sink until I start getting close to clear water. But it's amazing how much paint is in there. If you don't get these guys good and clean, then they're not going to perform as well for you. And if you're going to invest in a nice brush like this, then I say keep it clean, right? So your investment is a good investment. So look, there's still, even though you can't see hardly much paint on the outside, when I do that, there's still a lot of paint on the inside. So this is before I even put any soap in it. And this is warm water, not hot, just warm. And this is the oval brush. So much paint still in there. Look, it keeps coming. And that's why these brushes are so nice to paint with, because it holds all that paint in your brush, which is less going back and forth between your jar and your piece. Which means you paint quicker. Which means your paint doesn't dry on you while you're painting. See, I pulled it up, a little bit on the outside, but then push it down. Oh, there's more. So I have this one, and I have the pointed sash brush for sale in my shop, and I love them for use with Fusion. I don't like the process of cleaning them so much, I'm going to admit. It just takes a while. But I love the brushes, so I will go through this long cleaning process since I like them so much. They just do a really good job of laying down the paint. All right, we're at a little over 2 minutes here. I'm just going to keep pushing it. You guys hear my kids screaming back there? Yes, they're home. They're playing out in the front yard. Still more. Still more. Still more. All right. Okay. I think you guys get the point. Once I get to this point, a little bit more, I'm going to take some of my Fusion brush soap and start massaging it into those bristles. But I needed to take these few minutes and get all of this paint out first. Okay, so I hope that helps you as you're cleaning your brushes. Like my husband says, do it right or do it twice, right? So I'm going to keep getting it nice and clean. All right, see you guys soon.